Hi. It seems you want to order an interactive 3D listing? No problem. This is easy. You start with clicking the Order Now button, and you'll see the login form. If you don't have an account with 3D Condo Explorer, you can log in as a guest. Then you should provide us with your MLS listing number, and there are two ways of doing it. The simplest way, just type your listing's MLS number in. Please note, the button Next will remain disabled until you type in entire number, the leading letter and 7 digits. Then you just click the button Next. Add to this, you may get the following screen. There are two possible reasons for it. First is obvious, 3D Condo Explorer doesn't have your property in the Google Earth 3D inventory. If this is the case, we cannot generate an interactive 3D listing for you at this time. But before giving up, please make sure that this is not the second case, which is, when you filed the MLS application, you might have clicked the checkbox, Do Not Advertise, for this listing. If this is the case, please return to your MLS application, uncheck this checkbox and resubmit it again, so we could gain access to your listing. But, if you have a valid MLS listing, and 3D Condo Explorer is able to reflect it with correspondent 3D inventory, after you click the Next button, you'll see this listing options form. There are two optional fields to fill, the virtual tour URL, and the More Info URL. We've automatically populated the More Info URL field for you. But you can override this value, for example, copy the URL of your website there. Optionally, you also can copy the link of your virtual tour to the virtual tour URL field. Then, you hit the button Next, which brings you the summary screen. After reading it through, click the Next button again. This brings the last screen of the order, where we're asking you to provide your email address. We need your email to send you the link of your interactive 3D listing for review. You'll pay only if you like it. So, type your email address in, and click Submit the Order button. If everything is okay, you'll see this confirmation screen. It tells you that starting now, you have just 10 minutes to open your mailer, check our email, preview the order and pay. So, just click OK to return to the main screen, and then, don't waste time, go to your mailer right away. And here's a sample of a message you are going to find there. First of all, you can see the MLS number and address of your listing, make sure they're right. Secondly, you may want to preview your listing. Just click Preview the Order Now button, and play with your listing for a minute. Make sure the unit is shown on the right side of the building, with right view etc. Check also the floor plan for the unit. Just a couple of notes to remember. First of all, don't play for too long. Remember, you have only 10 minutes. And, if you see something wrong, please don't pay. But just reply this email, tell us the problem, and we'll be happy to fix it for you. If everything is okay with the listing and you're happy with the preview, it is time to pay. Click the Buy Now through PayPal button, and you'll be redirected to the PayPal payment webpage. Here's a quick summary of your order, and required payment, before taxes. PayPal offers two options here. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can pay with your credit card, otherwise, you can pay directly from your PayPal account. In any case, just follow the instructions on PayPal pages, they are pretty straightforward, and submit the payment. Just remember that you have 10 minutes to complete the payment. Congratulations, your order is ready. The moment your payment approved, your interactive 3D listing became permanent, and we send you a receipt that looks like this. You'll see the interactive 3D listing URL there, This is the link you'll be publishing with MLS as if it was a virtual tour. Also you'll see the transaction reference number, and the amount you paid, including applicable taxes. And, this is it. Thank you for watching. And have a good business.